Get more usable space with a warehouse that is easier to maintain, less expensive to insure, and faster to build. General Steel specializes in custom-engineered, steel-framed warehouse kits shipped directly to you. Prefabricated warehouse buildings deliver unmatched value compared to other framing styles, including enhanced protection from fire and pests, increased durability, and more efficient use of HVAC systems. Additionally, your new steel-framed warehouse from General Steel will be easier to expand and modify down the road as your needs change. Our steel warehouse kits are shipped complete with everything needed to frame, roof, and side the structure. And when you buy a building kit from General Steel, you also get access to a dedicated project manager who will work with you from start to finish, ensuring that you have everything you need for a successful build. If you need help finding a qualified contractor to pour a foundation or assist with the construction of your new steel warehouse, rely on us. We're happy to refer you to a pre-screened local partner who can assist you with whatever you need to complete the build-out of your warehouse exactly according to your specifications. Popular warehouse building kits include the following sizes: 30 feet by 40 feet, a common size for smaller warehouses. The 30 foot by 40 foot building is a fantastic choice for those looking to maximize storage space and keep costs low. 30 feet by 50 feet. Adding another 10 feet of width results in a total of 1,500 square feet of usable interior space. This additional space can be used for administrative or retail operations. 40 feet by 80 feet. For more room to store or operate, this size allows for 3,200 square feet of uninterrupted interior space. You can add more ingress and egress points too. 100 feet by 100 feet. This is one of our most popular size choices for warehouses, as it offers the ideal combination of expansion options and versatility for businesses like server farms, indoor dog parks, and CrossFit gyms. 200 feet by 400 feet. One of our largest warehouse options, the 200 feet by 400 feet size delivers up to 300 feet of uninterrupted interior space without sacrificing strength or durability. Not sure which size is right for your application? Not to worry. General Steel specializes in developing customized steel building kits that are right size for the land you'll be using, the local climate, and your vision for how the new building will be used. In addition to framing, siding, and roof, we can also supply you with the doors, windows, insulation, gutters, downspouts, and other exterior enhancements you may need. And all General Steel warehouse kits include a standard 50-year structural warranty, a 40-year paint warranty, and a 20 to 25-year roof warranty, depending on roof style. With General Steel, your vision for a new, steel-framed warehouse can become a reality faster and easier than you may think. We look forward to working with you.